Hello, my name is Jack, and today I am making a second HTML tutorial. In this tutorial, I will get more in depth with the actual tags that you can display, or contents that you can display on your HTML page. First, you're going to want to open up your page that you made, or may have made in the last video. I got a second monitor set up, so yeah, that's a problem. In any case, I have this web page open, and it's powered by this code. The first tag that I'm going to get into is, I should say R, the list, the list tags. So, here. I'm just making these page breaks so that I can show you the difference between each of the tags. So, as you can see, I have OL and UL. UL stands for unordered list, and it's a list of items that will show up in bullet points. OL is an ordered list, which will show up in numerical order. So, for example, LI, the tag, stands for list item. This list item is what will go inside a list when you're creating it. So, as you can see, I have an unordered list with 2 list items, and I have an ordered list with 2 list items. When you load the page, you'll see that I have an unordered list of bullet points, and then I have an ordered list with numbers 1 and 2. As you can see, these numbers 1 and 2, I didn't type them up or anything. This ordered list tells the browser to do that. Another tag that I will get into in this tutorial is the table tag. Sorry. No. Okay, so the table is used to, you've probably guessed, make a table. On its own, as with the UL and the OL tags, on its own, the table tag does nothing. You need to define things in it. So the first tags that you will need to define is the TR tag, which stands for table row. This also shows up as nothing, as you need to make one more tag inside of it. TD, which stands for table data. This is what will show this. So a TR is a table row. A TD is a column or a box inside that row. So if I could make multiple here. So as you can see, this table will have one box because it has one table data and only one row. Just had to do that to make the box visible for you to see it. In any case, I have a table with one box. If I wanted to make more, I would simply make more inside the same row. Now I have 4 boxes in one row. So if I wanted to make another row, then I'd just take this and add another table row. With this, I will see another row of table, I guess. So I created the table border just so that you could see the table border, because otherwise this tutorial, I would not be able to show you how the table actually works. Without setting the border, there's no line separating the table, but you can see if you hover over it, it is a table. You can set the border to 0 for no border, which is the default, 1, which is that, 2, which adds that. I haven't experimented with it too much, so you can sort of play around with it. So another tag that I will get into this tutorial is the A tag. The A tag is used to link an item from a web page. Okay, so let's say I had a paragraph of text. I don't know. As you can see, this just shows up as a paragraph. If I wanted to make my text a link, I would... Here, let me start with this. I will use the A tag. On its own, as many other tags, the A tag does absolutely nothing. So you will need to define an attribute to make it do stuff. This attribute is the href attribute. Href, I don't know. In this attribute, you will define the link that you want this to go to. So, as you can see now, here, let me zoom in. My text is a link. If I clicked on it, it'd send me to google.com because that is what I put in here. This also works with image is. For this, I will be using the Hello World image from the previous tutorial. Okay, so now I have the Hello World image back. Currently, if I clicked on it, it does nothing. So if I wanted it to link to something, I would just do the same thing, but put the A tag around the image. The A tag makes pretty much anything inside it linkable, or clickable to a link. So if I wanted to make this go to google.com, I just do the same thing, make sure that it's inside the A tag, and then yes, save it and reload the page. So now when I hover over it, my cursor changes because this is a link that I can click. I can open a new tab, it's Google again. So I think that'll be it for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I went over tables, lists, and links. In the next tutorial, I hope to get into some more aesthetic things in a web page, such as coloring the text or aligning it instead of just using the align attribute, as it's sort of frowned upon. In any case, please like, comment, subscribe for more, and I will see you later.